If you're a rice lover and looking for a high-quality rice cooker that can cook your rice to perfection, then you're in the right place. In this video, we will be showcasing the top 5 Tiger rice cookers available on the market and highlighting their features and benefits. Whether you're cooking for a small family or a big gathering, we have got you covered. Be sure to check out the links in the description box for more information and to purchase your own Tiger rice cooker. Let's get started. Tiger GBV A10U Rice Cooker. The Tiger GBV A10U rice cooker is a multifunctional appliance that allows you to cook rice and a main dish simultaneously with the innovative To Cook function. The rice cooker features a one-push operation and utilizes the automatic cooking logic system to actively monitor cooking temperatures, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The cooking plate is designed to prevent the flavors of the main dish from affecting the flavor or texture of the rice. It has 4 cooking menu settings including synchrony cooking, plain rice, brown rice, and slow cooking. The non-stick coating inner pan makes cleaning easy, while the BPA-free cooking plate ensures the safety of your food. The rice cooker also includes a non-stick spatula, measuring cup, cooking plate, and cookbook to help you get started with the To Cook function. Plus, the detachable inner steam cap and automatic keep warm feature make it easy to serve your meals anytime. Tiger GNP S10U Hue Rice Cooker. The Tiger GNP S10U Hue Rice Cooker is a reliable and convenient kitchen appliance that allows you to cook fluffy and delicious rice with ease. The Keep Warm function of this rice cooker allows you to keep your rice at the perfect temperature for up to 12 hours, without the risk of overcooking or drying out. The non-stick inner pan ensures that your rice won't stick to the bottom, making it easy to clean. Additionally, the retractable power cord makes storage and transport a breeze. This rice cooker also comes with a spatula and measuring cup for accurate portioning and serving. The removable steam vent cap and dew collector make cleaning simple and hassle-free. The versatile capacity of this rice cooker allows you to cook up to 5.5 cups of rice, making it perfect for small to medium-sized families. Overall, the Tiger GNP S10U Hue Rice Cooker is a practical and user-friendly addition to any kitchen. Tiger GX S10UI Rice Cooker. The Tiger GX S10UI Rice Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that can cook more than just rice. The rice cooker comes with a unique To Cook cooking plate that allows you to cook rice and a main dish at the same time, with perfect synchronization. It offers a range of 10 cooking settings such as plain, synchro cooking, quick, sweet, mixed, porridge, multigrain, brown rice, slow cook, and steam, enabling you to prepare a variety of dishes. The spherical inner pot is coated with a non-stick material, making it easy to clean, and the inner lid and steam cap can be removed for easy washing. The cooker also features 2 preset cooking timers, which can be set for up to 24 hours, and an automatic keep warm mode that can keep your food warm for up to 12 hours. Available in 2 sizes, the Tiger GX S10UI Rice Cooker is the perfect addition to any kitchen, offering convenience, versatility, and ease of use. Tiger GKT S10 UK IH Rice Cooker. The Tiger GKT S10 UK IH Rice Cooker is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that offers 4-in-1 functions including rice cooking, synchro cooking, slow cooking, and bread baking. This rice cooker features 11 pre-programmed cooking settings, making it effortless to prepare a variety of dishes. The induction heat microcomputer-controlled system offers precise and even heating for perfect results every time. This 5.5-cup rice cooker and warmer also features Tiger's To Cook synchronized cooking function, which allows you to cook 2 dishes simultaneously with the power of induction heat. The inner pan comes with a grip handle for easy carry, and the unit features a detachable inner/outer lid and steam vent cap, making it easy to clean. The inner pot features a multi-layer ceramic coating with 5 layers of metal and 3 layers of coating for even heating and durability. The lid is also washable, and the unit includes 2 preset cooking timers for your convenience. This rice cooker delivers high performance and efficiency, with an electric rating of 1,080 watts. Tiger Corporation JBX B10U Rice Cooker. The Tiger Corporation JBX B10U Rice Cooker is a 5.5-cup multifunctional appliance that allows you to prepare healthy and delicious meals in the comfort of your own home. Its contemporary angular design is equipped with an easy-to-use control panel at the top, making it both stylish and convenient. This rice cooker offers 8 preset functions, such as plain rice, synchro cooking, quick rice, short grain rice, mixed rice, brown rice, porridge, and slow cook, making it a versatile appliance for any kitchen. The 1.7mm spherical inner pot is scratch-resistant and has a non-stick coating, ensuring your rice comes out perfectly cooked every time. The included cooking plate is uniquely designed to allow you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously without the flavors affecting each other. The steam vent cap and inner lid are both detachable for easy cleaning, and the power cord is also detachable for convenient storage. This rice cooker also comes with a BPA-free cooking plate for synchro cooking and steaming, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching our video on the best Tiger rice cookers. We hope this guide has helped you in choosing the perfect rice cooker for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.